Hi guys, so welcome back to the last part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 19. So in the previous part, we had built the application and we had seen how to retrieve the posts, like the posts with the comments, number of comments, number of likes. So here we are letting the user to add post, add like, add comment, etc. So, okay, by not adding a post, adding like and adding a comment. Now, okay, so that's it in what we're going to be doing in this video. So let us get started. So here again, as you can see here, we have the instance of the Express first, and then we have we are using both CORS and JSON. Now here, after that, we have the MongoDB connection. We try to connect using mongoose.connect, and if it is connected, then we say MongoDB connected. If not, then it is an error. Now we have to try to get all the posts using the get method, and then we sort it in the order of posts starting from 1. Now here we have the handling to like the post. Okay, so how do we allow user to like the post? So first we have the constant post ID where number is the post ID. Now after that we have to find that suitable one with the post ID, and then if there is no post ID, then we say post not found, and if there is post ID, then when the user clicks on like, then the like equal to like plus 1, whatever the existing like is there, it increases that by 1, and then it saves, and then it posts to the backend. Simple. The same thing for comment as well. Here we are using dot push because it is a text. Here it is just incrementing. Here it is dot push. So here same thing when we are using dot push, and if then we save it to the, and then we post it to the backend. Now here we have the schema for the both post, like the for the posts and the comment. So the comment is basically in the form of an string, and the date and time of the comment is basically whatever is entered, or if there is nothing entered, if it is default, then it is current time. Now after that we have post. For the post we have ID, title, content, likes and comment. So ID is, it should be unique and it is required field. Title is a required field and it is a string. Now content is a string again. Likes is by default 0 and the type is number. Comments is comment schema, exactly this one. Now after that, here again, because we don't have any posts, then we build, basically we seed sample post. We give sample post for the input to just check it. Here are the two posts. Now here we have app.jsx. This one noticed in the previous video, the same thing. Now let me run the program. Okay, so here this is for, now I have to run the okay, so now MongoDB is connected. Now I can refresh this. Yes sir. Now when somebody see like is 1, like plus 1, like 2, like 3, like 4, it keeps on increasing when a user likes. Again, when I have to add a comment, I say very informative or something. I'll just add comment. So here you can see the comment is by default 15:01:34. That is the time. All right, so let me submit the program. I hope you guys have understood this program, and if you want to try this on your own, head to the CodeChef platform right now and give this a try. So I'll already discuss the past, and that's it for this video, and that's it for this weekend as well. If you want to practice most of these problems or get yourself ready for interviews, then you can go pro on CodeChef. You can practice all these questions on CodeChef platform, and that's it for this video. See you in the next weekend. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.